Dynamic Conveyor, we design and build turnkey and custom conveyor solutions to meet a wide range of customer needs and requirements. Our conveyors are modular systems that can be repurposed and reused to meet customers' changing needs. When we are speccing new components for the DynaClean line, finding easy to clean hygienic components is a requirement. Components that are designed to USDA and 3A specs are of particular interest. It is evident that NGI takes a new product development approach to their products. They aren't just trying to repurpose old designs for hygienic solutions. The products they design are of high quality and easy to clean. Their customer service and responsiveness are top-notch, and pricing is very competitive. The NGI components that we use help us achieve a higher level of sanitation on our DynaClean conveyors and helped us reduce cleaning time by keeping key components in place during the time of sanitation and cleaning. The hygienic design and the ease of customization of our DynaClean lines make us a key differentiator in the food industry. The innovative products from NGI, like their bearing housing, have helped us enhance our product offerings by reducing cleaning time and making us more competitive in the market. The enhancements that NGI has made to bearing housing that no one else is doing is their integrated standoff, their sealed shaft input, and the seals where the bearing mounts to the side of the conveyor all make for an easier system to clean and a more competitive product in the field. The seal for life design of this bearing makes them extremely desirable in the food industry, no chance for leakage, and they are standardized hole pattern for easy retrofitting in the field.